And go. Hey guys, my name's Sophia. Hello everyone. Let's have some fun. Back with DAVROE Chroma colors. Woo! Yeah! Hair! So today we're going to be doing Sophia's hair with a chroma color. We've chosen Sunset Copper for this beautiful lady and her beautiful hair. We're going to be taking her over and shampooing her hair with some clarifying shampoo 2 times. We're then going to towel dry her hair so the color doesn't dilute. And then section by section, we're going to place the treatment through her hair, running the Sunset Copper through with our hands. Then after about 10 minutes, we're going to rinse the color, finish off with a conditioner to seal the hair cuticle and lock in the treatment, and then be back here and show you what it looks like. Please, come this way. Welcome back. As you can see here, we've finished our process with the Sunset Copper Chroma treatment in Sophia's hair. We've finished the shampoo, we've finished the color treatment, and we finished by conditioning it and blow drying it so it's silky smooth. If you take a little spin, Sophia, for me, you guys can see the color variation through her hair. Because Sophia was blonde before, the way that the chroma colors work, because they're not proper colors, they're pigments mixed in with treatment, it follows the natural kind of lightness of the hair. So there is a slight variation which keeps it quite natural, as DAVROE is.